Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Sazwa Amruddin Rashid. My metric number is A14A0600. My course is SL. I want to present my industrial training at the MZSMS Global Enterprise. Okay, company background. The owner name is Haji Muhammad Nur bin Sha'ari. It founded on July 2008. The operation address is 1332 MK16 Bukit Teh 14020 Bukit Mentajam Pulau Pinang. The main activity in this company is processing, packaging and labeling, distribution, management and customer service. Okay. Type of product is chili based product. Okay. Vision to distribute chili Gini Asli Haji and sauce chili Sri Warisan throughout Peninsula Malaysia by 2030. The mission of this company is to make chili Gini Asli Haji and sauce chili Sri Warisan as the first choice for the customer. Second, to increase the number of customers and dealers who sell and use chili Gini Asli Haji and sauce chili Sri Warisan in the north of Malaysia. The third one is to distribute chili Gini Asli Haji and sauce chili Sri Warisan and enter the market in other states like Perak, Kuala Lumpur and Negeri Sembilan in 2022. The last one is to establish a chili factory in a new area with advanced chili making equipment. This is the organization activity: processing, packaging and labeling, distribution, management, customer service. Okay. For the processing activity in this company has to do every day to ensure the number of products required to be sent to the customer is enough and can avoid delay in the delivery of goods to the customer. Okay. Packaging and labeling. Packaging is done to pack the product that produced by this company. Labeling is also done by the company to differentiate between the product of this company and the other competitor. Okay. Distribution. MZSMS Global Enterprise distribute their product to the customer by using lorry. Management in MZSMS Global Enterprise also done so that the product can be produced efficiently and delivered on time to the customer. The last one is customer service. The company offers a chain damaged chili paste, chili sauce, or grease and replace it with the new one. This is the organization chart for this company. Okay, task description: cooking chili paste, packing and labeling product, delivering product to shop, and arrange the product by type of product. Okay, implementation of project and or tasks. Do product processing. I need to make sure the food-based product that they are produced are clean and achieve a set of quality. Okay, this is the step of processing chili Gini Asli Haji at MZSMS Global Enterprise. Okay, this one is the step in processing of sauce chili Sri Warisan at MZSMS Global Enterprise. Okay. Next, perform the packing of product and labeling. The chili paste that are produced have 3 packaging sizes, which are small, medium, and large. The chili sauce also has 2 sizes, which is a small bottle and large bottle. Grease is also sold in the small packaging size to make it easier for buyer to buy their desired quantity. Okay, distribution the product to the customer. As I mentioned earlier, MZSMS Global Enterprise distribute their product by using lorry. Okay, the number of shops in the Penang take 2 or 3 days to manage and deliver the product to customer. Okay, the number of shops in the Kedah need 2 days to manage and deliver the company product to the customer. MZSMS Global Enterprise also has several agents who help in distributing MZSMS Global Enterprise product to the customer. The last one is conduct management within the organization. I was also asked to manage the company operation. Among them is to sort and revise the purchase receipt and sale. I also manage order from customer. And I also need to tell the employees about the amount of product needed and when the product need to be complete. This is the project result. Okay, the first picture is blend the dry chilies. Okay, after that, we must make sure the chili stick the stick always to avoid the chili from be change the color to the black. Okay, this picture is chili paste after packaging and labeling, and this one is chili sauce after packaging and labeling. Okay, this picture is product ready to deliver to the customer. Okay, this picture is one of customer shop at the Baganserai, Perak. Okay, so analysis. Okay, the strength of this company is the goods that this company sold are cheap compared to the competitor. This company also use high quality of raw material to ensure the product they are produced is high quality. This company also has a good reputation in the market, so the customer will trust this company and will use the goods that this company sold. Okay, the weakness of this company is still weak in management of their company. They also have shortage of worker, so it will become problem because company will late to deliver the product to the customer. Okay, the last one is location of this company is also not strategic. This is because this company is in a village and far away from the main road. Okay, the opportunity in this company is first relocated a new location for this company. Okay, this company need to find some place to build their new location, new company, so that they can minimize their cost of deliver the product. Okay, the second one is addition of shopkeeper. This company also can increase their shopkeeper and can make their company more bigger. Their delivery far away from just Penang and Kedah, so they can deliver the product to Perlis or Perak. Okay, the opportunity. The last one is technological development. So this company can use new technology, new machine to develop to increase their performance in the market. Okay, the three in this company is tight competition from competitor and changes in the competitor strategy. It will make this company fight to market their product and to gain their customer trust. Okay, the last one is technology change. The company still using new old technology and still use manual packaging and need to use rubber band to packaging their product. Okay. Skill required. Communication skill. I need to communicate with the other employees in order to complete the order request by the customer. I can develop my communication skill when I deliver product to the shopkeeper. I also communicate with the shopkeeper so that I can find out the way the shopkeeper do their business. Leadership skill. I often give direction to the other employees so that they can complete the order goods and become a reference point if they have problem. Every job that is done by the employees will be supervised by me in order to minimize error and save time in the production of goods within this company. Management skill. I will arrange trip to deliver the goods to the shopkeeper. I manage payment receipt to record sales revenue to facilitate the owner of this company to know the amount of sale. I need arrange the day and the amount of dry chili packet that the company need to purchase to launch their operation. Okay. Technical skill. Technical skill that I get in this company is how to cook chili paste and chili sauce. I also get a problem solving skill. Mr. Zulkifli asked me to resolve any problem that occur in the MZSMS Global Enterprise. I also discuss with the employees about how to overcome the problem of unplanned product at the desired time. Okay, suggestion. First, increase number of employees. Company need to increase the number of employees for each working group. MZSMS Global Enterprise company should take at least 2 more employees to assist in the division of product production and delivery of goods. Okay, the second one is improve the management in MZSMS Global Enterprise. And Mr. Zulkifli need to attend more seminar on management in business so that he can gain more knowledge about management. He also can meet successful people in the business so he can share his opinion and receive guidelines from the more successful and experienced people. Okay, the third one is relocated a new location for this company. The company new location needs to be closer to the main road to facilitate the delivery of goods and acceptance of raw material from supplier. Okay, the last one is technological development. The company needs to use some technology equipment in the production of this company goods. This will give many benefits to this company. Apart of saving time and labor, productivity will also increase and benefit the company. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.